Welcome to Spatial Conversations, the world's first video series recorded entirely with the Apple Vision Pro. I'm Alex Bratton, LexTech's CEO and Chief Geek. And in our Spatial Conversations, we bring fellow Apple Vision Pro experts, enthusiasts, and innovators to discuss the Vision Pro for business and productivity in the enterprise. What's your passion? So you're doing things, so obviously VC world, that means helping folks start things. You've started things in the past. You've got a background touching lots of spatial AI and otherwise. Boiling all that down, what's your passion?
You know, I've found myself to be like, I love the idea that particularly in the US, we can, the world is a canvas, right? So you have all this new tech that's going to change everything, and everything is a canvas. So it needs to be built. I just determined that I'm a pretty bad builder myself, terrible CEO. So I was, and I think I found myself to be a better investor. And so, I think that's just the way to kind of have outsized impact in terms of like promoting, building this future with these tools. For me personally, some people are going to be better founders. Some people are going to be better, I think investors. It's just, I think you got to figure out what works for you. And so for me, it's the investing for sure.